welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. Thank you for joining me today, you guys. It is spring. Hello spring, we are ready for you. We welcome you, and I thought I'd jump on here to do a nice spring makeup tutorial for my queens. So I do have my foundation on. I'm just going in with my primer. So today I'm going to use Hot Coral to start our eye look, because I'm thinking spring, I'm thinking fresh, and I'm thinking coral. And I'm just kind of like packing the product in first. Yeah, that is definitely spring. Look at those colors. Look at that. Look at that burst of sunshine right there. Okay, tell me that's not a spring look right there. I love it. Beautiful. So now I'm going to just pop on some more primer just in the center, because you could see I kind of left some space there. So I'm gonna just blend that. Okay, because we're going to apply Shiny Penny. All right, so I'm gonna take a flat brush, I'm going into my palette. I'm gonna pick up Shiny Penny, and we're just going to press her. So I'm gonna also work with my finger and just pat the product in. You guys know I love to work with my finger. Okay, the best tool you got. And now I'm gonna go with a clean blending brush, and I'm going to just blend the edges a little bit just to make it a little softer. All right, just taking a smaller brush, I'm gonna pick up some of the Hot Coral, and I'm gonna smudge that under my eyes. So now I've lined my eyes, and I put some black Mary Kay eyeliner on my waterline, and then I smudge a little bit of the Hot Coral on my lash line. And now I'm just gonna actually go back with more of the coral, because I really want to intensify it some more before we deepen the crease. Okay, so I'm just gonna pack it on more, because I really want that coral shade to pop. So next up, just to deepen the crease, I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Cinnabar. All right, and I'm going to just pop that here just to give our crease some definition. Just a little bit, not too much. So our eyes is done. For my lashes on, so now I'm gonna highlight using my Mary Kay Perfecting Concealer. All right, so now I'm gonna go with Mary Kay Mirror Foundation in Bronze 4. Ooh, just a little bit of that there. Whoa! I'm gonna apply that around my face and just gently sweep some of that under my eyes. I'm just gonna spray my face. All right, so we'll just contour real quick. And for the blush, we're gonna use Hot Coral. Only Hot Coral today. All right. I think my under eye is super bright because I actually added a tad bit of the yellow concealer from the MK Signature, because I really wanted that pop. Super bright. Some highlighter, and the shade I'm using is Honey Glaze. My Cupid's bow. So now for the lips, I'm going to use a True Dimension lipstick today. And look at this, you guys. Look at all those colors right there. That's the whole entire collection of the True Dimension lipstick by Mary Kay. If you guys want me to do a lip swatch video with the True Dimension lipstick, then I want you to comment down below, because I believe I have a Just My Matte, I have a Just My Shine, I have the lip glosses video, but I don't have True Dimension. It is a lot of lipsticks, but if you guys really want me to do it, then let me know. So the shade I'm gonna pick here is Citrus Flirt, and that's the shade right there. Wow. Now that is different. That is different. That is beautiful. If you're someone who has like dry lips, listen, you need to be wearing the True Dimension lipstick because it is super hydrating on the lips. Do you see my lips, how glossy they look? Like they look super creamy, like very kissable. Okay. But yeah, that is Citrus Flirt, and this is the first time for me and I love it. Okay, hello spring. If you haven't tried this color, I would say definitely try it and see what you think about it. So you guys, that is it. We are done. We're done with our spring makeup. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I think it's nice and fresh, nice and springy. Listen, this is a look, okay? This is a very nice spring look. I think you can do. We didn't do too much colors, you know, just using the cheek color, using the hot coral on the eyes, shiny penny on the crease, lining my eyes with some black liner, smoking the bottom lash line with some hot coral again, True Dimension lipstick in Citrus Flirt, which I think is my new obsession, okay? New obsession, I love it. I love how it looks. So that is it, you guys. We are done with our spring makeup look. I hope you guys have a wonderful spring. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for my 1,000 subscribers. I am so thankful for all of you who are supporting my channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button at the corner so you get notified every time I upload. Happy spring, you guys, and thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Look, I'm obsessed with this color. Okay? Obsessed. Love it.